Well, folks, this is a little quick video of a little tractor show we're going to here in Garden City, Kansas. It's American Implements putting it on for us, so it's the closest show I go to. So gonna take a few engines. I'm gonna drive the old C there, and it's about 3.5 miles away, so that's nice. I just want to give a shout out to American Implement for putting that on. It's nice because that's the closest show I have, and all the others are 2 to 3 hours plus away. So enjoy the video. And, your engine? What's this down here? The water pump? Whose engine is that? Whose?
My great-great-grandma's, but now it's yours.
Oh, okay. Is it going to be yours? Do you like this one?
Yeah. This one's better.
What's wrong with this one?
Oh.
Bro?
Yeah, I think the air filter.
I don't think these have air filters. Let's go look at some tractors. Yeah. Got the manure spreader on it too.
I have one of these at home.
Do ya?
Yeah, but it only has one on it.
Whoever restored this did a good job.
Yeah.
Here's a 730 propane.
Then let's show them what the room is.
Oliver's. This one's interesting. Dad's never seen one of these.
Yeah. Oh, look at this one.
The 720 rat. This one's got, you could drive this one, it's got power steering.
Oh yeah, I could actually do this one. Dude, what's this, Dad?
Those are cultivators. It's a G. It's an A. Daddy likes this G right here.
Oh, I like this one better.
This case.
Ooh, yeah. Yeah, over here.
New stuff.
Awesome. Dad, look what I'm up. Dad, look what where I am.
Mm-hmm.
Dad, these make it go left and right.
Yep. .706. These are good runners. Got torque amplifier on it. G1000. Look at the separate heads on that. .706 diesel. This one's a diesel 706, buddy.
Oh.
Whose tractor is this?
Ours.
Is that one yours? Stand by it, get a picture.
Okay, I make it on top of it.
Okay. Rhett's Farmall. Massy Ferguson diesel.
Yeah, let's take a picture of it.
Okay. Say cheese. This ain't our tractor, so you probably shouldn't be on it.
What is that truck is?
That's what me too.
Easier said than done. I think.
Well, I'll give you a shout out on there. Mine's just my name.
Yeah.
So
I kind of figured out I was doing it. I've been doing Instagram and Twitter forever. I had like 20,000 on Instagram or something.
Oh, do you really?
Kind of figured out like putting Oliver 2655 out of field, just southeast of Cimarron. Four-wheel drive, Oliver propane, oddball like 120, and just. That video, I think if you add them all, it's like 250,000 views.
Oh, that's awesome, man.
I mean, it's taken time.
We'll have to get together one of these days.
Yeah, for sure.
I'm hit and miss engines.
Oh, cool, yeah.
Old junk. Well, it's the day after the show. We're gonna drive this old girl about 3.5 miles home. So let's go for a rip.